Shalom, hello and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, German, the language. How do we say this in Hebrew? So German, hasafa. Language is safa. German in Hebrew is Germanit. 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 Sprechen Sie Deutsch? If I'm asking a man, I would say, אתה מדבר גרמנית? אתה מדבר גרמנית? And if I'm asking a woman, I would say, את מדברת גרמנית? And the answer is, I'm a woman, so if I do speak German, I would say, אני מדברת גרמנית. כן, אני מדברת גרמנית. And if I were a man, I would have said, כן, אני מדבר גרמנית. אני מדבר גרמנית. But as a woman, I'm still saying, אני מדברת גרמנית. Ja, ich spreche Deutsch. Naya, but it is only the beginning. I'm still in the beginning of learning German, so רק בהתחלה. It will take like years. And until next time, you will find links to selected lessons in the description box below, Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, and more. להתראות בקרוב.